Good morning, student. This is the second video of chapter 12 of geography. Land, water and soil resources. So here we will discuss the water resources. Water is considered a valuable resource. Water is needed for or by plants and animals living both on the land or the oceans also. It is used for the drinking, cleaning and for the other domestic purposes. Also used for agriculture to generate hydroelectricity for the transportation or the recreation of the water, and also for the sewage cleaning and also for the firefightings and in industries. Water makes an aquatic system. The following key features or the factors determine the demand for freshwater resources. First is the growing population. Second is the changing standard living of the human beings. Third is the economic development. Now we will see the account of freshwater resource on the earth and also in India. The 3/4 part of the earth is covered by water. Only 29% area is left for the land. The source of fresh water in India are rivers, lakes, underground water. Most of the oceans and the sea's water is saline. The source of water and the other water uses. First is multi-purpose project or the multi-purpose river valley projects. These projects are used for many purposes. For example, dam. Dam is made across any river to collect its water, which may control the floods, which store the water, which is used for irrigation or for the generation of hydroelectricity or to use for other purposes, for example the navigation or the fisheries. From a dam, the canals may be channelized. Tanks also are the source of fresh water. Wells and the tube wells are also the freshwater sources. Now we will see what is water scarcity and what are the causes of water scarcity in India. The lack of pure drinking water is known as the water scarcity. It is the drought-prone countries' areas problem. For example, Africa, Asia, and some other part of Sahara Desert and also North Africa. These are the drought-prone areas, and also the desert areas of any country faces the problem of the water scarcity. The water scarcity is of two types. One is the quantitative, second is the qualitative, means in which the liter of water is less for drinking or the uses, domestic uses is less. This is known as the quantitative. And if there is a lack of pure drinking water, this is the qualitative scarcity of water. So, what are the causes of declining of water or the water scarcity? This is due to the overutilization of the water. Due to this, our civilization is under the great threat. Some videos or the why is water necessary many purposes are for its responsible, because of it is very necessary. Due to its, our whole civilization or human being may be in a dangerous condition. Clear? Now next, the methods how to conserve the water resources. If we use properly of water, we can conserve it. If the government take stern steps towards the industries to control their wastages, that if they should not throw in the running water or the pure water, that effluents, so it may be controlled. Proper sewage management. The sewage should be defer, or the defer tanks should be open for the treatment. Next, recycling of the water. If we use the recycled water for the domestic use, not for drinking, for the domestic use, for cleaning our cars or to cool the machines, so we can conserve the water. Should control the desalination of water. So if we purify the water of oceans and desalinize that, so we can use that in the domestic uses or for our other purposes. Irrigation facilities must be optimized to minimize the water wastage. Use of rainwater harvesting system for the sustainable way to conserve the water. What is rainwater harvesting system? In the rainwater harvesting system, we collect the rainwater, second rainwater, because of it is known as the purest form of water. So we collect the second rainwater in a tank through the pipe of our roof. So, and after that collecting in the tank, we can purify that through, or the filter that, and we can use that in our domestic uses. Thank you for watching this video, student.